Animals Born Alive and Well by Ruth Heller. Winter, spring, summer, fall. A hare's hair changes with them all. Mammals are animals with fur or hair, who nurse their young and breathe fresh air. They don't lay eggs, except these two. These are the only two who do. The spiny anteater and the duck-billed platypus. They don't lay eggs, as I have said. They're born alive and well instead. Sometimes a mammal's hair is scant, as on the thick-skinned elephant. African elephants. Pekingese. But here's a pair with hair. Yorkshire Terrier. The okapi, the zebra, the ring-tailed lemur. And here are lots with stripes and spots. The giraffe, the tiger, the leopard, the cloud leopard. Pangolin, three-banded armadillo, nine-banded armadillo. And these have scales and spikes like nails. The porcupine. But all of them are mammals. So are camels. And like all the others, they are nourished by their mothers. Dromedaries. Gazelle. Mammals, wild and stoat deer. Mammals, tame. All do more or less the same. Marsupials are different, but they are mammals too. When they are very, very small, into their mother's pouch they crawl and grow just like this kangaroo. Koalas are marsupials too. Mammals all breathe air. You understand? This isn't hard for those on land or even those found. What do we have? Moose, mandrill, panda, guinea pig, kangaroo rat, aardvark, weasel, rhinoceros, bighorn sheep, hare, squirrel, weasel, fallow deer, bison, wild goat, red fox, giant anteater, hippopotamus, prairie dog, wild goat. Underground. Shrew mole. And mole. Or those who fly. The bat. or climb up high, like the marmoset, the tarsier, the gibbon, baboon, or spider monkey, sloth, gibbon again, bush baby. But mammals living in the sea have to surface frequently. The sperm whale, the walrus, seal, porpoise, sea otter, dolphin, manatee, narwhal. Porpoise. The porpoise, whale, and manatee have their babies in the sea. Humpback whale, manatee. The walrus, seal, and otter prefer to leave the water. Otter, walrus. Seal, walrus. These are prehistoric, but they were mammals too. Gomphotherium, Liptodont. Their names are very long indeed and may be very hard to read. Macrauchenia, Baluchitherium. The largest mammal is the blue whale. The smallest is the shrew. Oh, blue whale. The best of all are people. All of us are mammals. Just like me or you. There's no more to discuss. Cheetah, lion, tapir, hedgehog. Everyone who's born alive is viviparous. Viviparous. Sheep, pig, horse. Winter, spring, summer, fall. A hare's hair changes with them all.